heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step.
Xiqueta, Paula, Ibáñez, Clemente, de la falla Avinguda Regne de Valencia, San Valero, sector Rusafa A.
For you, darling, don't be afraid. I've loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed
Paulita, que tengo muchos amigos en común con sus papis, y además hablé con uno y digo, ay, está la hija de unos amigos tuyos y yo me presento a jurado de un gran amigo. Y me dijo, ya verás, ya los tratarás y verás que geniales, tanto los papis como ella es, parece que se haya cagado un bote de mimosín. Es tan cariñosa.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monster's running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. These shallow waters never meant what I needed. I'm letting go. A deeper dive.
Xiqueta, Paula, Ibáñez y Clemente.
Where are you now?
Paula Ibáñez, de Russafa, quasi res porta al diari. La xiqueta que tot ho fa bé, amb el cap ben moblat i organitzat. Un aplaudiment per a Paula.
Can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. But when it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.
And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in this photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes were never closing, our hearts were never broken, and time's forever frozen still.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed. Inside these pages, you just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home.
Wait for me to come home.
Wait for me to come home.
Wait for me to come home. Oh, and you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed. Inside these pages, you just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.
You can be my guiding light. Keep me company in the night. That's all I need. All I want is for you to stay a little longer now. surround me like a border, like the air I breathe. I'll let you in, keep me warm underneath my skin, 'cause I'm giving in to your touch. I can never get enough, diving deep into the ocean. You can be my safety zone, somewhere I can go when I feel alone. That's all I need, all I want is to stay a little longer now. Arms surround me like a border, like an endless stream. You take me